one's coming for you. Still got something in your cup.
You want this one? Put your arm out for
Our
this
jumping is cracking me up. But that's what I want to do. I don't know why. I'm just not as comfortable as y'all. Yep, and that's why I don't have any food. I'll be leaving y'all out the front. I'm just going to eat myself out.
How you doing, Liam? Y'all out? You got a bird on you?
Hey, don't throw it on the ground.
Pick it up, Penny. Pick up all the garbage, Penny. Here, pick up that other cup, Penny. Pick them both up. Pick up that one. Penny, look at me. Look at me, baby. Pick up that one. And put them together. And then put those two cups together. Or give them to me. Give them to me. Give them to me. Now pick up that lid. That lid right here. Look at me. Alright. Give me that one, please. Look at no. Bring it to me. Liam, give me that lid, please. Yeah, there's no more. There's those in the garbage. Get it out.
The bird lady of Alcatraz. I have seen it live in color. You have to give him some food, don't you? Oh, he goes.
This bird is just licking every bit off that he can.
Hey, what about me?
You don't have no more food.
Yay!
And this one just likes me. He never got any food. He just thinks I'm cool, right? You like me? You think I'm cool? That's why you're hanging out with me? You never got no food. Been on my back the whole time. Okay, you guys ready? You want some of this? Anything else? Liam! Well, whatever.
Liam, this way. Come over here.
Doesn't matter, we can go out that way.
Where does it go from there?
It says not an exit.
Well, fine enough.